Struggling to connect your YouTube account to your Namecheap hero site? Here's the exact 4-click fix to get it done in under a minute. We'll start from your site editor, then click through the right settings to link your channel. Follow along. First, open up your website in the hero editor. This is the same place you go to change your text, swap out images, or rearrange your layout. You should already be logged into your Namecheap account. Just find the site you want to work on and click that Edit button. The editor will load up, and you'll see your page just the way your visitors would. Now, take a look around the interface. You'll notice a few different toolbars and panels. We're not looking for anything fancy here. Now, locate the first highlighted area and click it. This is the part where you tell Hero that you want to add some YouTube goodness. You're basically opening the door and saying, hey, I want to bring my channel in here. Depending on your editor layout, this might be a button labeled something like Add Block or a plus icon somewhere on the screen. I'm looking at the actual editor right now, and I can see exactly where you need to click. Just go ahead and click that spot. It might open up a menu or a sidebar with a bunch of different content options. Don't worry about getting lost. This is all part of the process. Next, find the second highlighted element and click. So now that you've told Hero you want to add something, you need to tell it exactly what you want to add. This is where you'll see a list of different content types. You might see options for text, images, buttons, and a YouTube option. Go ahead and click on that YouTube option. This is the specific block that gives you the connection to your channel. Once you click it, the editor might shift a little to show you a preview or a placeholder. And here's the really important part. This is the same process whether you're adding a video playlist, a subscribe button, or even a live stream section. So you're building a solid foundation for any YouTube content you want to feature. Finally, click the Continue button to complete the connection. You should now see a window or a pop-up asking you to authorize the connection. This is just Namecheap asking your permission to talk to YouTube on your behalf. It's a security step, and it's totally normal. Click the Continue button. It might take a moment for the authorization to go through. You might see a spinning icon or a brief loading screen. That is perfectly fine. Once it's done, you'll be brought back to your editor, and you should see your YouTube content right there on your page. You can move it around, resize it, or just leave it exactly where it landed. And that is it. Your YouTube channel is now live on your Namecheap hero site. Remember, if you ever need to change which videos show up or swap to a different channel, you just repeat these same steps. It will work exactly the same way every single time. Thanks for following along. I will see you in the next one.